It's a stunning turn of events on the second unofficial test match start for India A versus Australia A on Thursday at Melbourne Cricket Ground. A shocking start to the tour as key players falter. Can they recover, or is it too late? Hi viewers, welcome to MKK, the Daily Pulse, your one destination for updates around the world. India A, led by KL Rahul, faced a dismal start. The team was bowled out for a mere 109 runs in just 41.2 overs. KL Rahul, the captain and a crucial player, failed to impress, scoring only 15 runs off 32 balls. Abhimanyu Easwaran and Sai Sudharsan, the top-order batsmen, were dismissed for ducks, leaving the team in dire straits. Australia A's bowlers were relentless. Spencer Johnson and Mark Steckerty led the charge, taking 3 wickets each and dismantling India's batting lineup with precision and power. Johnson's spell was particularly lethal, conceding just 28 runs in his 9 overs. Despite the collapse, there were glimmers of hope. Surya Kumar Yadav showed resilience with his 42 runs off 59 balls, anchoring the innings as best as he could. But his efforts were not enough to steer India A to a respectable total. As the team regroups and strategizes, fans are left wondering, can India A bounce back in the next innings? This isn't the first time they've faced adversity, and with the talent in the squad, there's always a chance for a comeback. The pressure is on, but sometimes it's under pressure that diamonds are formed. Thank you for watching. See you next time with new updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Hasta la vista. Namaste.